Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to learn about bearings, okay, for IGCSE and also checkpoint form 2. Okay, so before we go further, what is actually bearings? Okay, bearings, kalau biasa dengar, kita biasa baca bacaan bearings ni dengan menggunakan kompas, Okay. So, okay, so saya ambil sikit lah daripada Google ni. Okay, the bearing of a point is the number of degrees in the angle measured in a clockwise direction from the north line to the line joining the center of the compass with the point. Okay, so the bearing is used to represent the direction of one point relative to another point. Okay, so ayat mudah dia, bearings ni kita tengok daripada bacaan daripada kompas. Okay, so kita akan baca daripada satu point kepada point yang lain lah. Okay, okay, so bearings always measure clockwise from the north line. Okay, so contoh dekat sini, kita nak baca bearings from of A from B. Okay, the point here is from, okay, the word from, okay, from B. So means that bila dia highlight part from B, kita akan tengok, kita akan baca bearings tu pada point B. Okay, okay, so kita akan baca pada point B. So we want to find what is the bearing of A from the point B. Okay, so cara pertama, first method is, bila ada satu point, okay, dengan point yang kita nak cari macam ni kan, B dengan A. Okay, kita draw dulu line tu. Kita draw dulu, kita sambungkan dulu line. Line between these two points, point A and point B. Okay, and then we draw a north line at B. Okay, north line tu, awak anggapkan dah, macam mana pun macam ni akan jadi north lah. You dah belajar dalam geografi. So north, standard lah untuk bacaan untuk kompas. Okay, north, south. So for this part, we draw a north line at B, and then we join the line between A and B, and then we measure the angle clockwise from the north line. So clockwise from the north line. So this is the north line, and clockwise, okay, awak gerakkan clockwise tu sampailah you touch the line that joining both points. Okay, okay. So from this part, yang ni dia gunakan protector. So dia ukur daripada this line. Kita tahu kan macam mana nak measure by using protector. So bearing of A from B is 75. So daripada sini pun boleh baca. You boleh assume this angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, so the bearing of A from B is 75. Okay, so syarat pertama untuk you write bearings ni, mesti dalam 3 numbers. 3 number macam ni lah. Kalau bearings tu less than 100, maknanya dia hanya dua numbers macam ni kan, 75. So you kena write in 3 figure numbers. Okay. So for next one, find the bearing of Q from P. So we have the bearing bearing Q from P. The keyword here is from P. So we draw the north line at P. Okay, so north line here, and then we draw a line that join P and Q here, and then we measure the angle clockwise from the north line. Okay, so this one also you measure by using protector. Okay, so bearing of Q from P is 110. Okay, so as you can see, here is the angle, okay, is actually greater than 90. So That's why the reading for bearing Q from P is 110 degrees. Okay. Benda ni berguna lah kalau you pandai baca bearings ni, you pandai untuk baca pada kompas nanti. Okay, so we go question number 3. Find the bearing of Y from X. Bearing of Y from X, and then this one from X. Okay, so we will draw a north line at X. Okay, so this is the north line at X. And then we join a line X to Y. Okay, and then we measure the angle clockwise from the north line. So that is 230. Okay. So that is how the basic way how to read the bearing from a point to another point. Okay, so first thing first, kena ingat you kena draw a north line. Okay, and then you draw a line that joins both points. Okay, and then we measure the angle clockwise. Okay, must be from the direction clockwise and from the north line. That is are the three important methods in order to find the bearings. Okay, so next we go to the next example. Okay, the bearing of A from B is 60. Okay, tengok ni cara dia tulis bearing mesti 3 figure macam ni. Bearing of A from B. So from B, A from B is 60 degree. So find the bearing of B from A. Bearing of B from A. So A is here. So kita nak tengok A from A pula kan. So you tengok kat sini. You draw a north line at A. And then dia soalan macam ni kan. First thing first memang kita kena draw dulu position of A and B. And then we draw a north line at A. Find the angle measured clockwise from the north line at A. So kita start daripada north clockwise until you touch the line that joining the point A and B. Okay. So this part awak akan guna balik awak punya prerequisite knowledge from the topic lines and angles. Okay. So ingat balik lines and angles, kalau bentuk Z macam ni kan lines and angle waktu form 1 dulu kalau awak masih ingat. Kalau Z macam ni angle dia sama kan, A and A, and then apa lagi inside angles macam ni A plus B equal to 180. Okay, so everything yang awak dah belajar dalam lines and angles kita akan apply balik untuk topik bearings. Okay, so kat sini awak dapat 60. So we draw, kita sambungkan line ni, kita anggapkan line ni kan, kita sambungkan and automatically actually this line memang akan straight line lah sebab this is a compass and direction north and south. Okay, so 60 degrees, this one also 60 degree. Since this one is 180, okay, and S ni a straight line, 180. So 180 plus 60, so the answer is 240. Okay, so the bearing of P from A is 240. So tadi ialah bearing of A from B is 60 degree. Okay, so we go to the example 5. The bearing of Q from P is 250 degree. Okay, find the bearing of P from Q. Okay, so now as we learned before, okay, biasa soalan kan dia tak bagi awak this diagram, awak kena draw dulu. Dia just bagi wordings macam ni je, ayat macam ni je. Okay, so you kena draw. So ini kalau example saya tunjuk terus lah. Okay, the bearing of Q from P. Okay, from P. From P is 250. P and Q line, kena draw dulu line dia. And then we measure 250 from the north line at P clockwise, in a clockwise direction. So 250. This one is 250. Okay, and then find the bearing of P from Q. So draw a diagram to show the position of P and Q. And then the question asks you from Q. So kita kena draw pula a line, a north line at Q. And we find the angle measure clockwise from north line at Q. Okay. So this one is 250. So awak buat satu draw line kat sini which is this one 180 lah. So 180, balance dia ialah 70 degree. So kita ambil lines and angle properties for the zigzag angle. So angle dia sama. So kat sini angle dia akan jadi 70. So means that the bearing of P from Q is 70. Okay. Okay. That is, kalau kata in case dalam exam awak terlupa nak buat 3 angka macam ni, 3 digits, you hanya tulis 2 digit saja. Saya buat salah lah sebab bearings memang bacaan dia dalam 3 angka macam ni. Okay. Dia membezakan angles biasa yang kita belajar sebelum ni. Okay. Okay, so we go to the last example. Okay, the diagram shows 3 straight roads connecting points A, P, and C and the angles between them. Okay, find the bearing of C from B. That one is for first question. Okay, find the bearing of C from B. So we look at where is B. B is here. Okay, so B is here and then C. So kita draw, kita tengok C dengan B. And then kita nak baca bearing C from B. So kita draw north line at B. And then kita tarik macam ni. Sampailah kena pada line menyambung B dan C. So the angle here is 135. Okay. So the bearing of C from B is 135. Okay. Find the bearing of A from C. Bearing of A from C. So this one C. And then A, here, we draw a line that connecting A and C. Okay, and then we draw another line at C. And we measure from the north line at C in direction clockwise until we reach the line AC. Okay, so from this diagram, you can see that you can figure out that the bearing of the bearing of A from C is 280. Okay, so that is the basic about bearings. So we will go further in the our exercise.